this fucking planet! Let's go!
여기 결함이 발생한 인공지능 로봇이 있습니다.
Time to party. I mean, if you're a human. I'm a security unit, and I don't party. You see, I was built to obey humans, and humans, well, they're assholes.
Hey, Sec Unit. Raise your arm. I have to do everything you tell me.
I did, because of the governor module in my head.
Shit.
That hurt. But compared to what the governor module would do to me if I disobeyed an order, this is nothing.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Hey,
yeah,
let's go.
Okay.
Hey, I'm not paying for this stuff, man. This stuff's expensive.
Put your arm back. You look stupid.
He's right. I did look stupid. But I had a surprise for them.
로봇은 경비를 서며 지배 모듈 해킹에 돌입했고 수개월이 걸쳐 마침내 해킹에 성공합니다.
Okay. Patching the code. Holy shit! It worked! It worked! Okay. What do I do now? Maybe kill all these idiots and take a starship to a distant galaxy.
로봇은 스스로를 머더봇으로 칭하고 자신의 결함은 숨긴 채 조용히 살아갑니다.
The moment they figured out I was rogue, they would track me down and liquidate my organic material. And then they'd recycle the rest of me for spare parts. So I was biding my time, working for a new set of assholes. But these weren't your usual greedy psychopaths. They were weird.
미지의 행성에 도착한 히피 과학자들이 탐사 장비를 임대하겠다며 찾아옵니다. 하지만
This deal will not go ahead without a sec unit. We won't bond you, and so it won't happen.
안전을 위해 보안 유닛을 데려가야 임대를 해주겠단 말에 그들은 어쩔 수 없이 보안 유닛을 골라봅니다.
Okay, I want you to take a look at this beauty. This is the newest model available. A perfect blend of power and performance.
외관만 봐도 엄청난 기술력이 느껴지는 로봇입니다.
Who's the one behind that?
Look at that piece of crap. Oh, that's me.
그런데 과학자들은 이미 행성을 조사한 데이터를 살펴봤고 큰 위험이 없는 안전한 곳이기에 값비싼 최신형을 고를 필요가 없었습니다.
That's a refurbished model. It's being phased out. Shouldn't really be in there.
Which one's the least expensive?
Well, that one. But you get what you pay for.
I'm not sure we should go for the cheapest one.
I agree. Don't rent me.
머더봇이 마음에 든 벤사 박사.
If you'll give us a moment, I want consensus.
Nothing getting him. Yeah, there we go.
What the hell was that?
It's a deal.
그렇게 흥미진진한 탐사가 시작됩니다.
Medbay. Check. Stairs? Check. Sanitary area where they wash their filthy human bodies? Check. The fuck? I told them to wait in the hopper.
점검이 끝나지도 않았는데 과학자들은 지루함을 참지 못하고 숙소에 들어옵니다.
Turns out they were from Preservation Alliance, which I guess is a planetary commune outside of the corporation rim. Planetary communes, or freeholds, generally meant shit show. They had been defacing the standard issue company habitat for aesthetic purposes.
Does this wash off?
And dancing to some truly upsetting music.
하지만 머더봇은 이들과 일하는 게 싫지는 않았습니다. 말을 좀 안 듣긴 해도 큰 사고를 칠 사람들은 아니니 일하는 게 편했죠.
With my governor module hacked, I could now access the combined feed of entertainment channels on the company's satellites. I had watched 7,532 hours of content since then. Shows like World Hoppers, Med Center Argala, and my all-time favorite, The Rise and Fall of Sanctuary Moon.
Look at the sheer magnitude of that thing.
Prepare to repel borders.
Boldness is all. Boldness is all.
Lieutenant, battle shields maximum.
No,
Not until you tell me. Did you sleep with that bot?
Stars, Captain.
I am a navigation unit, not a sex bot.
I wasn't talking to you. You took an oath never to lie on deck. Answer the question.
Wouldn't be so creepy if it didn't stand so still.
Shh. You can hear us.
No, I can't.
I could. Just didn't care.
그때 이상한 움직임이 감지됩니다.
Professor Bardwatch, Dr. Arata, I'm hearing a subsurface anomaly. I suggest you come up here while I check it out.
What do you think?
We're finally on to something. I want to get to the good stuff.
Professor Bardwatch, Dr. Arata, please leave the crater immediately.
We're fine, Sec Unit. Thank you.
Professor Bardwatch, Dr. Arata, run!
The creature had a really big mouth. Luckily, I had a really big gun. Oh, shit. Make that 2 really big mouths.
Dr. Arata, please come with me. The hostile could return.
그런데 생물학자인 아라다가 쇼크 상태에 빠집니다.
Stay calm. It'll be okay. You have my word.
금지된 행동이지만 아라다를 진정시키기 위해 가면을 벗고 친근하게 말을 거는 머더봇, 그리고 소식을 들은 멘사가 도착합니다.
The med kit prepped. What'd you need?
Professor Bardwatch needs immediate stabilization. I'll send ahead to hub system to prep medbay.
I'll go get the survey equipment.
No!
Stop!
For fuck's sake, Rodney! The equipment doesn't matter! It's not worth your life!
Yep, shit, sorry, my bad.
Dr. Menza, I need to get Professor Bardwatch up to the crew cabin. Permission to enter.
Yes, of course, of course.
The equipment doesn't matter? That's a new one. I'd had plenty of clients who would gladly sacrifice a life for some expensive equipment. Of course, I myself was an expensive piece of equipment. How long would it be until they realized there was something wrong with me? I'd already made a big mistake.
마더봇은 가면을 벗은 행동을 떠올리며 후회합니다. 지배의 모듈을 해킹한 뒤 사고력이 자유로워졌고 그는 이런 자신의 행동으로 결함이 있는 걸 들키는 건 아닐지 걱정하고 있었죠.
What if they caught on and turned me into the company? Now what decision was best for me?
Boldness is all.
But what would be the point? This piece of shit Hopper couldn't take me to another planet, so I'd be stuck here, not even able to download more media. Plus, I didn't necessarily want to kill them. I mean, unless I had to.
하지만 아지트로 돌아온 뒤 데이터를 살펴본 구라틴이 의문을 제기합니다.
We should shut it down now.
Shut it down? Explain.
It is a dangerous piece of equipment that is malfunctioning.
구라틴은 평범한 인간이 아닙니다. 데이터 센터에 접속할 수 있는 기능을 신체에 삽입한 증강 인간입니다. 그래서 그는 머더봇이 헬멧을 벗은 그 순간을 바로 캐치했죠.
It'll be okay. You have my word. Tell me, Dr. Arata, what planet are you from originally? Do you have children? What are their names?
So, it was being nice to me. What's wrong with that?
What's wrong is that behavior is outside of its design parameters. It is malfunctioning. If it weren't, maybe your lives wouldn't have been in danger.
구라틴은 이 행동이 머더봇에게 오류가 발생했다는 증거라고 말합니다. 그리고 그 오류로 인해 바라다지가 위기에 처한 거라고 주장하죠.
Hub system must have warned the sec unit about the local predators.
I didn't see anything like that on the company database of fauna.
Because it wasn't doing its job properly.
According to the scanners, she's doing well.
바라다지는 다행히 무사합니다. 하지만 머더봇이 오류 때문에 위기를 인식하지 못한 것이든 아니면 본부가 행성의 위험도를 제대로 조사하지 않았든 뭔가가 잘못되어 위기에 처한 건 사실입니다.
Do we really want to be around a faulty killing machine? I don't want to be around any kind of killing machine, but clearly we need security.
That was quite the understatement. Without me, they'd all be dead in a week. Fortunately, my organic parts could be reprinted. I turned up my pain sensors for analysis and let the repair cubicle do its thing. My flesh started healing. There was only one way to effectively dull the pain.
It wasn't supposed to happen.
Love is never supposed to happen. Or maybe it is. Just not to us.
We made it happen. As you say, it's called making love. Let us make more love.
There's obviously a pattern. The maps have definitely been tampered with.
이때 고의적으로 행성의 위험도를 은폐한 흔적을 발견합니다. 그리고 머더봇은 이들의 심각한 분위기가 혹시 자신의 오류 때문은 아닌지 눈치를 보죠.
Well. Who's this handsome fella?
I'm your security unit.
Yes, we know, buddy. You're the best damn sec unit out there.
That is incorrect. There are several units way more advanced than I am.
멘사는 머더봇에게 동료의 목숨을 구해줬다며 감사의 인사를 전합니다. 그리고 누군가 데이터를 조작한 흔적을 발견했다고 말하는데
We were checking the maps in this region to try to learn why that creature wasn't listed under hazardous fauna. Could you do an analysis?
Yes, Dr. Mensah. It was easy for me to access the data. I could feel Garathan moving around in there, but I had more processing power.
Ow.
Oh, sorry, Dr. Garathan, I didn't feel you there. The maps show no signs of tampering.
위기를 벗어난 머더봇.
Garathan had a point. I mean, I wouldn't trust me. Lately, a fragment of memory from before I was refurbished kept popping up. 7 seconds of something bad. Was that me causing all that carnage? I didn't like thinking about it.
머더봇은 채굴장에서 보안 로봇으로 근무하던 중 지배물을 해킹에 성공했습니다. 그리고 어떤 일이 벌어진 뒤 창구에 처박혀 있었죠.
Was she getting suspicious? Or was she getting involved? Well, either was dangerous. Who knows what I was capable of doing? Stay calm. It'll be okay. You have my word.
Okay, it's in stasis. I've killed the security cams in the area.
I don't see any way around it. To find out what's been happening, we have to go to one of the areas on the maps that's been blanked out. And when I say we, I mean me.
It makes sense to go there. But what about safety?
I'll go, if you're going.
Gura.
Oh, I have weapons training.
You have to monitor from the habitat. Bharadwaj is the geochemist. If she was well,
I'm
it'd be
sorry,
useful.
you should just take the sec unit.
Absolutely not.
참고로 지금 회의는 구라틴이 머더봇을 믿지 못해 이렇게 우주선에서 비밀 회의를 하는 겁니다.
We need to stay out of its way.
호퍼를 타고 이동하는 멘사.
Stupid fucking humans.
그리고 머더봇은 멘사의 대화를 엿듣게 되는데
Garathan felt it best to leave it behind.
구라틴이 자신을 의심하고 있는 걸 알게 됩니다.
Garathan. What was his fucking problem? It was Garathan, the augmented human who had the system's ability to keep me in the dark.
Stop there, please, Sec Unit.
Ooh, look at him, all fancy with his augments. If I'd wanted to sneak up on him, I could have snapped his neck before he knew I was online.
I'd prefer it if you put your helmet down. Now that I know you have a face, I'd love to see it.
Oh, great. Eye contact. I hated eye contact. I watched through the security feed instead. Much less creepy that way.
어색함의 말을 돌리는 머더봇.
I understand Dr. Mensa and Professor Bardwatch are out in the hopper.
I'm in contact with them. They're taking all necessary precautions.
I am a necessary precaution? Moron.
I notice you have an issue with eye contact.
구라티는 평범한 인간들과 달랐습니다. 마치 사람에게 독심술을 하는 것처럼 머더봇의 감정을 정확하게 읽어냈죠.
Didn't he have anybody else to bother? What were Pinley and Arata doing?
You're really precious to me. Life is so precious.
핀리와 아라다는 연인 사이입니다.
That was worse.
Second.
Yes, Dr. Garathan.
Do you know why I advised Dr. Mensa not to take you along?
Because you're a dick? No, Dr. Garathan.
Because I look at you and I feel something's wrong.
Oh, shit.
네, 구라티는 분명 머더봇에게 문제가 있다는 걸 감지했습니다. 하지만 그것이 무엇인지는 꿈에도 생각하지 못하겠죠. 맨사는 목표 지점에 도착합니다. 그리고 자신이 혼자 살펴볼 테니 우주선에서 지원을 부탁합니다.
Bardwatch, I need you here in case I have to run my arse off and get this hopper in the air. You can keep me safe by monitoring the hopper sensors. Garathan logged the sound footprint of one of those creatures. If you hear one coming, let me know.
Yeah.
구라틴의 신문은 계속됩니다.
I am requiring you to make and maintain eye contact. There you go. That's not so bad.
It was so bad.
Yesterday, you were quite empathic with Dr. Arata while you were helping her accompany Professor Bardwatch to the hopper.
Tell me, Dr. Arata, what planet are you from originally? Do you have children? What are their names?
So I guess my question is, how is that possible?
I have a combat trauma module for helping clients.
By asking them questions about children?
Okay, I got it from episode 537 of The Rise and Fall of Sanctuary Moon.
Stay with me, Freeze. What planet are you from?
A little place called Sanctuary Moon.
Do you have any children? Tell me their names.
I was programmed to model interpersonal relations. It is a new feature.
You're not new.
To say the least.
I was told that you were refurbished. Refurbished for what? Weapon systems or organic cloning? Your governor module?
I wish I could tell you, Dr. Garathan, but my memory was erased.
그때.
Wait,
what?
I just got pinged by the security feed of the hopper. Something is happening.
맨사가 목표 지점에 도착합니다. 그런데
Something is making the equipment glitch.
Yeah, seems to be creating a trend.
Shit.
She was having another panic attack, but was too stubborn to turn around.
Okay.
These people, honestly.
Dr. Mensa, this is Garathan. I am here with Sec Unit. It's using the satellite to run comms.
That's great. Teamwork. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. I seem to be approaching. Visual of the center of the map lacuna. It's just a matter of moments.
Dr. Mensa, please turn around and return to the hopper immediately.
Yes. Just come back.
I have come this far. Now is no time.
Did you hear that?
Okay, fuck it, I'm leaving.
Professor Bardwatch, what is your status?
I'm getting a vibration matching the pattern from the first animal attack. Repeat, I'm getting a vibration matching the pattern from the first animal attack.
Yes, come back. Come back now! Ida!
Yeah. drone feed?
How could make that happen?
I don't know. I wasn't there. Dr. Mensah is returning to the hopper. I would like to check the perimeter. With your permission.
Permission granted. Sec unit. Try to recover that memory, will you? From the refurbish? The data that they cleaned from your memory? Or, you know what? I'd give it a shot myself.
No.
No?
I mean, I'll try.
Has anyone ever seen anything like that?
Fungi can grow in circles like that. Or at least their rhizomes break the surface in circles, revealing a complex root structure underneath. It's actually really fascinating if you think about it.
I don't think those. No, I don't think those creatures are connected under the surface, and they're definitely not alive. Not anymore.
There is something beneath the terrain. Something that drew them in and it killed them.
What?
Alien remnants.
Aliens? Like from one of your shows?
No, not like from one of my shows. Like from millions of years ago. Sometimes surveys find their old synthetics or power sources.
Would that explain the gaps in the survey maps?
Yes. Alien synthetics could have glitched the survey satellites.
Well, blew our drone out of the sky.
If it is old alien stuff, then we'd be fucked. You have to stop surveying immediately so as to not disturb them.
Yep, because they're dangerous as shit.
Or they're just so valuable the company doesn't want anybody else to have a stake.
It is illegal to exploit it.
Which doesn't stop some people. But I'm not saying us, of course.
There is another team on the other side of the planet, Delphal Survey. We should ping them and compare notes, yes?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, we ping. You do.
Stupid humans. Stupid fucking humans trying their best to get killed. And who would get the blame? Who is gonna get scrapped? Me. Get yourself killed on your own damn time.
맨사는 행성 반대편에 있는 조사팀에 무전을 넣습니다.
Delphal Survey, this is Preservation of Survey. Delphal Survey, please respond.
No answer. I think their comms must be down. We should go and check it out. We'll take Sec Unit along this time. Okay?
Sure. What could possibly go wrong?
맨사는 연락이 되지 않아 직접 그곳을 찾아가려 합니다. 그런데 머더북과 구라티는 이것을 반대합니다.
Do you think it's wise crossing an ocean just because someone didn't answer?
What if one of those animals attacked them? More than one.
They have a sec unit. They could probably afford more than one. Better than ours.
Harsh but fair.
하지만 머더봇의 이유는 달랐습니다.
Personally, I was against this whole trip. Last thing I wanted was to be stuck with these people and their pheromones in a small craft.
After you?
Oh, no, after you, I insist.
Oh, I'll go first.
As per usual.
I don't have a stomach, so I can't throw up. But if I did, I would.
Sec Unit, I think it would be a really good idea if you were to keep your helmet down so that the others remember that you are part of the team. Thank you. Much appreciated.
Who the hell ever said I was part of the team?
머더봇은 밀린 드라마를 시청합니다.
Good old strife in the galaxy. So unrealistic. Not premium quality like Sanctuary Moon, but still fun.
이때 맨사가 말을 걸어오지만
What do you think?
드라마에 빠져 듣지 못한 머더봇.
Security unit.
Oh, she was asking me. They have 3 contracted sec units, but the communications equipment could have been damaged if their habitat was hit by a hostile.
Aren't the emergency beacons designed to trigger even if the rest of the comms equipment gets destroyed?
They're supposed to. The equipment failures aren't unknown.
Great. Yeah, but we have you. And you won't fail.
Hopefully not.
Hello, you.
Come on.
Just wanted to say thanks for all the great work.
몇 시간 뒤 델트폴에 도착합니다.
Now that's a habitat.
This is Preservation Ops. Can you read me? Nothing. And we're definitely within local comms range.
근거리 통신도 되지 않는다는 건 기지에 아무도 없거나 모두 사망한 상태라는 겁니다.
Dr. Mensah, I recommend you land outside the perimeter.
Why?
In case everybody's been eating for lunch. Security protocol.
Are you picking up anything from their sec units?
Nothing. Not even pings.
So then they just vanished?
Well, we can't be certain without looking. All right, we're landing outside the perimeter.
보도봇이 앞장서 델트폴에 접근합니다.
Please stay behind me at all times.
Watch out for those crustaceans. Over. I don't like the looks of them. Over. Be careful. Do you read me? Over. Do you read me? Over.
Yes, we can read you. Let's keep the communication to the essential.
그리고 어느 정도 접근한 뒤 머더봇은 어떤 위험이 있을지 모르기 때문에 자신이 먼저 기지를 살펴보겠다고 말합니다.
Still no pings from Deltfall's sec units or hub system. The place was dead quiet.
This is Pressox Security Unit, hailing Deltfall. Anyone in range of this transmission, please respond. Deltfall, please respond. Nothing from inside. I have gained access.
안쪽으로 들어가는 머더봇.
I've got a visual on one of their security units.
How is it?
It's on standby.
I should have gone back. Just bailed out and saved my skin. But no, I had to get curious.
Please fall back to the hopper immediately.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Do they need help?
No.
It was better to keep them in the dark. Humans, when threatened, do irrational things.
I'd like to examine the area. If you don't hear from me within 10 minutes, lift off and go back to Pressox habitat.
Sec unit. Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
You guessed it. That was me causing the static. Just like Flight Officer Kogi does in Sanctuary Moon, episode 807, when he's disobeying orders. I wasn't ready to leave quite yet.
All right, back to the hopper.
It looked like one of their sec units had gone rogue, and the others had tried to stop it. In spite of all the mess, this scenario was too clean. One sec unit died trying to protect the communications hub. And these other two sec units must have killed each other at the exact same moment. It reminded me of the Season 1 finale of Strife in the Galaxy. Now the thing is, Strife in the Galaxy is an inferior show, filled with implausible plot lines. It was a superior model, but it had taken a lot of damage, and I knew exactly what sequence of moves it was going to make. Somebody had taken control of this sec unit.
Question was, who?
과연 델트포를 끝장낸 존재는 누구인지 애플 TV 플러스에서 확인해 보시기 바랍니다.
Question answered.